everyone, this is Study with Enthusiasm and welcome to my channel where we make English simple and fun. Have you heard about parts of speech but never knew what are those? What if I tell you that you know what are those, but you just don't recognize them as parts of speech? So let's dive into this. There are 8 types of parts of speech, which are noun, pronoun, verb, adjective, adverb, conjunction, interjection, preposition. I know you already know some of this topic. First one is noun. I know you already know what noun is. Noun is the naming word for person, place, animal or thing. A pronoun is a word that is used in the place of noun. Whenever noun is repeating itself in a sentence, then we replace it with pronoun. For example, we never say Priya is walking in the street. Priya met her friends. Here, what is wrong in the sentence? Priya, right? Priya will not be used twice, but in place of that, we will use she. Then what will be the correct sentence? Priya is walking in the street. She met her friends. Examples of noun are Priya, Delhi. And examples of pronoun are he, she, it. What is verb? Let me tell you that verb is a vast as well as very interesting concept in grammar, for which I'll make a whole video sometime for sure. But for now, let's just stick to the parts of speech. Verb is an action word. The word or a group of words that shows action that has happened or going to happen is called verb. The next one is adjective. A word that shows quality or quantity of noun in a sentence is called adjective. What is adverb? If you will notice, you'll get to know that the word has been made by joining two words, which are adjective and verb. And that's why adverb always modifies verbs or adjective. Most of the adverbs end with ly. Here are examples of verb, adjective and adverb. Examples of verbs are run, eat, read. All these words shows actions. Example of adjective are beautiful, green, 6. Here, beautiful and green shows the quality of a noun and 6 shows the quantity of noun. Adverb loudly, slowly, very. Now, if you'll notice, this loudly and slowly ends with ly, which I already told you. So now I think you can easily find out adverb in a sentence. What are conjunction? We have seen many times 2 or more than 2 sentences joined together. But those sentences are always joined with a word, and that word is called conjunction. The next one is interjection. Whenever some sudden emotion or feelings are shown in a sentence, we express them with the help of interjection. It is always used with an exclamatory mark. The last one is preposition, which I've already explained in my last video. So if you have not seen it yet, please go through my channel and watch the video that is based on preposition. And also I'll mention the link in my description so you can get the video through that too. Example of conjunction is she is rude but good in studies. There are 2 sentences are shown and that is joined with but. So but here is conjunction. Example of interjection is hooray, we won the match. Here, hooray expresses excitement and that is interjection. Let's make a sentence that is whole as a parts of speech. Oh no, Sita fall down from a bicycle badly, but she looks fine now. This sentence is combined with the whole parts of speech. So thank you for watching the whole video. I hope I made the concept easy and clear. For more such study related videos, please subscribe to my channel and comment down which topic you would like to learn next. Till then, bye bye.